Most non-stick pans are designed for low to medium heat on a standard coil. But in a real workshop environment, we wanted to see what happens when you push them to the limit. At Wade Media Labs, we don't just try pans. We stress test them. We took 15 of the most popular non-stick pans on the market to see which ones could survive a high BTU gas burner without warping. We used a high-output burner capable of 18,000 BTUs. Each pan was subjected to a dry heat stress test, monitored with infrared thermometers to ensure they reached a surface temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit before we checked for structural failure. The results were immediate and, for some brands, embarrassing. Out of the 15 pans tested, 12 showed significant warping within the first 3 minutes. When a pan loses its flat profile, it loses its ability to distribute heat evenly, effectively ruining your cooking performance. Most budget non-stick pans use thin-gauge aluminum that expands too rapidly under high heat. Without a reinforced base or high-quality bonded construction, the metal simply has nowhere to go but up. Only 3 pans emerged from the blast with their cooking surfaces perfectly flat. These survivors represent the gold standard for durability. Whether it was heavy-duty hard anodized construction or a stainless steel bonded base, these 3 proved they can handle a pro-level burner. If you're cooking on a high-output gas range, buying the wrong pan is a waste of money. You need gear that matches your stove's power. We've published the full data sets, the heat mapping charts, and the 3 specific winners over at cookwarescout.com. Head over there to see which pans survived the blast.